What's up everyone, this is tywon with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a test video for the QLife H2L product. And this product has passed our minimum standards for recommendation purposes, and so we do recommend this product. And so we wanted to do a test video demonstrating its ability to produce hydrogen-rich water and dissolve it at a therapeutic concentration. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually put water into the system. And then after that, we're going to run it for a 10-minute session with a full reservoir. And then we will go ahead and test the dissolved hydrogen concentration of the water, demonstrating that it's above 0.8 ppm or 0.8 milligrams per liter. So first thing I'm going to do is take the lid off and put some water into the system. Already did that. Alrighty. And we will go ahead and power it on. Okay, so now that we actually have it plugged in, go ahead and power it on. And we'll go ahead and start it on the 10-minute session. Now we'll go ahead and let it run for 10 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and test the dissolved hydrogen concentration of the water. Okay, so the session just ended, and so we'll go ahead and test the hydrogen gas, the dissolved hydrogen gas. So we'll move the base off, we'll grab our sample. Our sample, 6 milliliters. So let's go ahead and test it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 0.8, 0.9. It's 1 ppm, 1.1, 1.2, so that is 1.2 milligrams per liter or 1.2 ppm. That is great, and that actually puts us fairly close to a little bit under 1 milligram of hydrogen gas actually dissolved in this 800 milliliters of water. Right now, it looks like 1 to 3 milligrams per day of hydrogen gas appears to be therapeutic for humans. That is the suggested dose based upon the preclinical and clinical human data. And so this product meets that standard for us. And so that is the test video for the QLife H2Well device, and we will catch you next time at the H2Hubb.